As we enter the 89th year, the IAF is undergoing a transformational change. We are entering an era which will redefine the way we employ aerospace power and conduct integrated multi-domain operations. I feel greatly honored to command this elite force with extremely committed and determined air warriors who continue to strive for excellence in every mission. On behalf of these men and women in blue, I acknowledge with gratitude the invaluable contributions of our esteemed veterans who handed down a legacy built on valor, sacrifice, and pioneering spirit. I also pay homage to our fallen braves who made the supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. Today, we again renew our pledge to preserve the rich legacy and pass it on to the generations ahead. As the novel coronavirus spread rapidly across the globe, our nation's response was firm, and IAF on its part instituted various proactive measures to counter the spread and minimize the disruption in our functioning. The tenacity and resolve of our air warriors ensured that the IAF continued to retain its capability and capacity to undertake full-scale operations throughout this period. In fact, we deployed our transport and helicopter aircraft promptly during the lockdown to support COVID-19 tasks, pan-India as well as abroad, wherein we flew almost 750 hours, including many missions to bring back stranded Indians across the globe. I would like to commend all air warriors for the quick response in the recent standoff on our northern frontiers. When we deployed our combat assets at short notice to handle any eventuality and provided proactive support to all the requirements of deployment and sustenance for the Indian Army. We have clearly demonstrated our resolve, our operational capability, and the will to effectively engage the adversary should the need arise. The emerging security scenario mandates a greater need to have a strong air force to fight across domains across the entire spectrum of the warfare. Our vision for this decade is to continue to comprehensively scale up our combat capability and be a force to reckon with across the entire sphere of influence. Through careful force structuring, modernization, operational training, and acquisition of indigenous equipment to achieve substantial self-reliance. The recent induction of state-of-the-art Rafale, Chinook, and Apache aircraft have added significantly to our combat capability over our adversaries in the battlefield. Our offensive strike capability has been honed further with upgradations of our aircraft, with weapon systems and sensors, ably supported by a networked decision-making matrix. We have a large strategic airlift capability comprising of IL-76s, C-17s, and C-130s, and have also significantly enhanced our heli-lift capabilities with our helicopter inductions. The Indian Air Force is grateful for the nation's trust, confidence, and support. On behalf of all air warriors, I would like to assure the nation that the Indian Air Force will evolve and be ever ready to safeguard our nation's sovereignty and interests in all circumstances.